Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be going over what the social analytics of a collection displays and how you can use that information to benefit. To navigate to this, you click on collections. You can then search any collection that you would like to see the social analytics on. I'll just go ahead and use cryptodes. So if you click on social, it will display this information above. This is displayed on every tab within a collection. It shows collection name, contract address, when it was deployed, how many tokens there are, the royalties, if it's revealed or not, a brief description, you can favorite it, refresh items, and relevant links. So the social displays the amount of Twitter followers they have currently and the percent that has changed, the amount of tweets that they have and the percent that has changed, the Discord members they have, percent that has changed, and Discord presence. And then below there is a line graph that shows Twitter followers over time as well as Discord members over time. So everything here is quite self-explanatory other than Discord presence. This would be how many people are active in the Discord. You can use this information to gauge how much hype is behind the collection, because if the collection has quite a lot of hype behind it, it'll often have a very high amount of Twitter followers and Discord members. And you will see with these graphs, as well as the percent changes, how much hype they're gaining over periods of time. You can do the same with Discord members. And Discord presence is always really good, because the closer that this is to total Discord members, the better, because that means that they have a very active Discord. Now, these statistics are not always 100% true. They are accurate, but that does not, we are not able to filter out what of the followers or Discord members are bots, so that is something you should always take into account. The best way that I would recommend to determine if there are botted followers or people in the Discord is go to their Twitter and look through their tweets. Check the engagement on them. The higher the engagement, the better. But especially look through the comments on the tweets. If all of these accounts that are commenting on this tweet are very basic accounts that were created recently and have small amounts of followers and the messages are similar, that's a red flag. But if there are a lot of notable people and a lot of people with hundreds of followers, or they've had their account for a long time and they're active themselves, that's a better sign. And same with Discord. You can always check in the Discord and go and see how many of these members are actually speaking and what they're saying. And then you can judge if you believe that those are bots or not based on how they're phrasing what they're wording. If you would like, you could go as far as to try and hold a conversation with someone, and if it doesn't work out too well, or they just keep repeating themselves and it seems a little off, that's always a red flag. So that's the information on the social analytics within a collection and how you can use that information to your advantage. Hope you enjoyed.